Imagine you're cruising through the endless stretch of a mountain road, the horizon glowing with golden hues of the setting sun, and beside you isn't just a machine, it's a legend reborn into a home. Welcome to the year 2026, where the world of luxury vehicles has taken a breathtaking leap forward. Today, we unveil two masterpieces that defy imagination and rewrite the rules of travel: the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome and the 2026 Bugatti. These aren't just motorhomes, they are ultra-luxury, high-performance palaces on wheels crafted by two of the world's most iconic brands. Lamborghini has always stood for raw power, sharp design, and Italian flair. But what happens when this brand of automotive aggression meets the world of comfort and travel? You get a machine that turns heads at every curve and offers a sanctuary within. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, named the Lamborghini Aventuro, takes design cues straight from the Huracan and Revuelto, with the signature Y-shaped LED lights, angular body lines, and matte carbon accents that look like they've been carved by a wind tunnel. The Aventuro LX doesn't just look fast-standing, still it carries the soul of a raging bull underneath. Step inside, and you're greeted by a blend of Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, and ambient lighting that mirrors the cockpit of a fighter jet. The driver's seat feels more like a command center, with Lamborghini's signature hexagonal dashboard design, haptic controls, and a massive 15-inch curved OLED display that controls everything from suspension settings to the climate wine chiller behind the passenger seat. The motorhome's interior has been divided into smart zones. A retractable queen-size bed rises from the wall in the rear, framed by a full-length mirror with ambient lighting. The kitchen features a built-in espresso machine made by Lavazza, induction cooktops, smart refrigeration with fingerprint access, and gold-trimmed cabinets. Even the sink has Lamborghini's iconic angular edge design. Every inch feels like it was lifted straight from a supercar design studio. The bathroom. Let's just say it's unlike anything you've seen in an RV. Think black marble, gold accents, a rainfall shower with Lamborghini's Raging Bull emblem etched on the glass, and a mirror that adapts to lighting and temperature. This is not just living, this is living fast and luxuriously. And what's under the hood? Surprisingly, this beast is powered by a hybrid V8 engine paired with dual electric motors. It pushes out an astonishing 950 horsepower, with a special Strut RV mode that adapts the torque and ride height for uneven terrain. All-wheel drive, active aero flaps, and magnetic adaptive suspension ensure it glides like a supercar and behaves like a luxury yacht on land. Now, if Lamborghini brought passion and aggression into the luxury motorhome market, Bugatti brought elegance and dominance. The 2026 Bugatti Centurion Tourer is a tribute to both speed and sophistication. Inspired by the Chiron and Bolide, the Centurion Tourer looks like it was designed for royalty who don't like staying in one place. Its front grille proudly displays the Bugatti horseshoe design, flanked by laser-thin headlights that adjust with your gaze. This isn't just an RV, it's a mobile mansion with a top speed of 210 miles per hour. Yes, you heard that right. Powered by a quad-turbo W16 hybrid engine producing 1,200 horsepower, the Centurion Tourer accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, unheard of in the motorhome world. It's equipped with active air suspension, predictive terrain response, and even an AI co-pilot system developed in partnership with RIMAC. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped in Bugatti's signature blend of leather, crystal, and pure craftsmanship. The lounge area features two opposing couches with massaging recliners, a 60-inch retractable OLED TV, and a glass ceiling that tints with sunlight. The walls are finished in polished walnut and brushed aluminum, while a rotating central column reveals either a minibar or a hidden watchwinder for your collection. The dining space transforms with voice commands. Say dinner mode and the table extends. Seats rise from the floor, and soft amber lighting sets the mood. The kitchen boasts a built-in dishwasher, dual ovens, and a touchscreen cooking assistant powered by Michelin star chefs' recipes. Even the refrigerator opens silently with a wave of your hand and features fragrance-controlled compartments to preserve fine cheese and wine. But the crown jewel is the master suite, hidden behind a sliding carbon fiber door. The suite has a king-size bed with adjustable firmness, full surround sound, biometric lock drawers for valuables, and a wraparound old screen that turns the room into a virtual sky, rainforest, or luxury penthouse view. The walk-in closet features an automatic outfit selector that syncs with your calendar and climate settings. And the bathroom. Bugatti turned it into a spa. Heated floors, smart steam shower, Swarovski crystal faucets, and a personal grooming station with self-sanitizing tools. There's even a fragrance diffuser synced with your stress levels. But what makes these two hyper-motorhomes more than just rich toys is their tech. Both come with satellite-connected smart driving systems, real-time diagnostics, drone surveillance for camping security, and gesture-controlled automation. You can even summon or park them with your phone, yes, just like in the movies. Plus, solar roofs with energy-storing graphene batteries provide up to 40% of the onboard energy needs. On the road, The Lamborghini Aventuro LX has a shorter body and sharper maneuvering, ideal for cliffside routes and high-speed desert cruises. It feels alive in your hands, roaring through tunnels and echoing power through every curve. The Bugatti Centurion Tourer, on the other hand, is like sailing through time, smooth, poised, and majestic. You don't just drive it, you command it. Both vehicles offer expandable sides, yes, like wings, so when parked, the motorhome doubles. In interior size, automated awnings, voice-controlled mood lights, retractable patios, and even a mini garage for a scooter or drone add to the full experienced luxury lifestyle. And yes, they both come with limited edition numbers. Lamborghini is only making 50 units of the Aventuro LX, each costing an estimated $3.2 million. The Bugatti Centurion Tourer even are just 25 units worldwide, with a jaw-dropping starting price of $5.8 million. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in an experience that exists at the intersection of extreme performance and refined living. Now, let's talk about who this is for. These are not your average RV travelers. These are motorsport royalty, tech billionaires, actors, and collectors who want the road to be just as exclusive as the destination. For them, first class isn't a seat on a jet, it's a cockpit on wheels, where you wake up to a mountain sunrise in Switzerland and fall asleep under desert stars in Nevada. Both of these vehicles redefine what it means to travel in 2026. They represent a new era where boundaries between supercars and homes vanish, and a new category is born: the hyper-home. So whether you're a speed enthusiast dreaming of open roads or a luxury lover who wants the world to be your backyard, the 2026 Lamborghini Aventuro LX and Bugatti Centurion Tourer are waiting, engines humming, lights glowing, and hearts racing. This is not the future of travel. This is travel reborn. If you enjoyed this glimpse into tomorrow's luxury, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you could take one of these two on a cross-country journey. Which one would it be, the aggressive beauty of Lamborghini or the elite finesse of Bugatti? The road is calling, and the future just pulled up in style.